Hello.
Again.
All right.
Words in the house.
Words in the house.
Palabras en la casa. Learning Spanish with Amy.
Good. Today we're doing the screwdriver. How do we say that in Spanish? Destornillador?
Destornillador.
Destornillador. Okay. Well,
Oh my.
hello.
My house need a
Screwdriver.
screwdriver to put in the screws.
Yes.
Clockwise. Turn clockwise.
To remove.
To the room, turn counterclockwise.
Okay. So we either
to the right, to the left.
All right. Now.
Hola, una casa necesita un destornillador para poner el tornillo sentido del reloj sentido contrario, dar vuelta a la derecha, dar vuelta a la izquierda.
How do I say turn to the left?
Dar vuelta a la izquierda.
¿Cómo decir dar vuelta a la derecha en inglés?
Turn to the right.
Oh, turn to the right. Y para poner el tornillo.
To put in the screws.
To put in the screws. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.